Hey traders, this is Jeff from ZenTrader.ca with a update on my timing signal. I'm sure some of you might be wondering if it's still bearish, and the answer is yes, it is still bearish. Although these last couple of days have proven to be a little challenging. The markets basically have rebounded more than I anticipated, but at the same time there wasn't really a whole lot for me to do but to hold through tomorrow's jobs numbers, which I don't really want to do because it's kind of like holding a stock through earnings report. It's a wild card. It could go either way. But if I let's go back here. So here the markets issued a buy signal, popped up, gave back some gains. If one would have gotten shaken out in here, they would have been very upset with themselves for the move that ensued for January and February. It's same thing. You get a signal here, and as long as it stays bearish, you really have to hold through it, because this could turn right around and just head straight down. I don't know what's going to happen. I have a plan. I have an edge, and so as much as I really did not want to hold, the other alternative is to cover and then basically let someone else dictate how you trade, and you really can't do that. So my timing signal is still bearish. And what's even more interesting is the Toronto Stock Exchange. It bounced off some support here the other day, and it basically has filled this gap. And you see here the 60-minute chart of the RSI. It's come right back up to 60. Very much the Nasdaq is a little stronger. It's actually the strongest. Here's the Dow. I just want to check it. Yeah, it basically stalled right at 62. So the stage is set for a negative reaction to the jobs numbers. Do I know if that's going to happen? No, I have no idea. And if it's positive and we break to new highs, I will probably be covering tomorrow. My timing signal would probably reverse. I'm hoping that scenario. I'm hoping. You never really want to say that word, but going back, I really had no alternative, because you don't want to trade out. You don't want to go against your plan, because then you're going against your edge, and then you really have no trading plan if you do that. One other chart that I wanted to show you is the Nasdaq Advanced Decline volume, and I'm seeing a lot of charts that are basically hit new highs, pulled back, and have rallied back to this would be resistance right here. If you drew a line right here off of the, you drew a line right there, and it's the 13-day moving average. Some people swear by the 1334 moving average combo, and I'm seeing a lot of these basically the same look of these last couple days of bounce. And the volume has been lighter on the indexes on a daily chart. So like I said, as frustrating and difficult it can be to sit through when you're short, there's really nothing else to be done at this point in time. We'll see how tomorrow plays out, and we'll go from there. So alright guys, short update tonight. Talk to you soon.